Hey guys, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm and a quick shop tip. Sometimes you got a couple of boards you need to clamp up, but you can't find the clamp. Never fear, you've probably got something sitting around the shop already, like an old caulk gun. Put your boards in, clamp it up, and it gets you out of a bind. So that was a really quick and easy shop tip. I hope that helped you. Thanks a lot for hanging out for a few minutes. If you want to know more like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll have more like this coming all the time. And if you want to connect with us, please check us out at www.applevalleyfarmga.com or give us a shout over at info@applevalleyfarmga.com. Thank you. Have a great day.